Hey everyone, and thank you for tuning in today. We are discussing about our Senior DevOps Engineer opportunity here at Softrams. Who better to give you the idea of what the culture and what we're looking for other than our Director of Cloud, Seidel. So thank you for joining us. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Ashley. Good to be here.
Awesome, awesome. So let's just jump right into it. I know a lot of people are dying to know, what are some of the key skill set and qualities you're looking for in a senior DevOps engineer? And if hired, how would someone be considered successful in this role?
Okay. So I would say our biggest quality or attribute that we're looking for in our senior roles are a high technical aptitude. Here at Softrams, we like to stay on the bleeding edge of technology. We do a lot of R&D. We stand at the forefront with our customers in implementing the latest and greatest technologies. So we need engineers that can pick up the new technologies as they come out and pick them up quickly. Outside of being able to pick up new technologies quickly and adapt, we use a lot of Terraform. That's our tool of choice for infrastructure as code. So somebody that has a good experience in Terraform, not just executing it, but building it and writing it from scratch. That way, not only can you support our internal library of Terraform, but you can also mentor and grow our junior engineers and help them as they need. We also use configuration management tools such as Ansible, Chef, Puppet, stuff like that. Docker, we do a lot of containerization. Kubernetes is a huge technology that's out right now that all of our customers really want us to get into. So if you have Kubernetes experience, that would be great. If you don't, that's okay. We actually do in-house training on Kubernetes and Terraform and stuff like that too. So as long as you got that technical knack and you can pick things up, we can help get you there.
Awesome. So that kind of piggybacks on my next question. What is the DevOps culture like on the cloud practice team?
So our DevOps culture is very much enablement, right? So within the industry, you have a lot of people that look at DevOps as a job or as a group of people. DevOps is really a culture. So our DevOps engineers not only take on those operational roles to do checks and balances on our contract and make sure that only skilled engineers do certain tasks, but also they are the ambassadors of the DevOps culture. So we are creating tool sets, creating frameworks that all of our teams can use so that we have standards across our company, as well as empowering our developers and other people within our organization to be able to take on these tasks so that the DevOps team does not become a blocker, but they are an enabler. And we are the ones that are creating the tool sets and the frameworks to make everyone be a DevOps engineer on the project if they want to be.
Fantastic. That's actually awesome to hear. So if you have someone who's a really innovative thinker, they think outside the box, how would you encourage innovation? What do you do or what kind of atmosphere do you build to encourage that?
So we want everybody on our meetings to get involved. It's important when we have our stand-ups or when we have our meetups or catch-ups or anything like that, that everyone participate, because everybody has their own unique look into technology and what interests them. So we want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity to talk about something that we may or may not be using or something that we could be doing better in the company, and start that conversation or engage in those conversations so that we can grow as a company and as individuals and as a team. So we very, very much strive to nurture innovation through our app boundary. And if you have a good idea, we let you run with it and create a proof of concept to see how it can make not only our employees' lives better, but our customers as well.
Awesome. All right, last question, promise. Is there any growth opportunity with the senior DevOps engineer role? Like after someone's grinded out for a bit as a senior DevOps engineer at Softrams, what can they expect, or what funnel of career path do we have to offer?
Absolutely. That's a great question. Every senior DevOps engineer that has started with our company has already grown into a lead DevOps engineer, a cloud architect. Not only is there lateral growth, but there's horizontal growth. So as you work within Softrams, you can not only grow into a team lead or an architecture type role, you can shift if you decide that you really want to get into development. There's tons of opportunities to learn different pieces of Softrams, different skill sets or jobs, and shift as you see fit. You know, we've had IT interns turn into product analysts. We've had mid-level DevOps engineers turn into architects over time. If you have the drive and the desire and the aptitude, you know, you're the only one that's holding yourself back. You know, the sky's the limit here. We do everything that we can to grow our talent pipeline internally and make sure that you always have room to grow here at Softrams.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you all who tuned in. As you know, you heard it here. Again, Josh Seidel, Director of Cloud. If you're interested in this opportunity or you know someone who will be a great match, do not hesitate. Have them email me at ashley.cosey@softrams.com, or you can DM me, DM Josh directly, or anybody who has Softrams by their current employer. They will definitely find a way to get your information to me. Again, thanks again, Josh, for tuning in, everyone, and have a wonderful day.
Thanks so much, Ashley. Take care.
You too.